Here's how to completely uninstall Microsoft Edge. If you live in the European Union, Windows allows you to uninstall Microsoft Edge directly through the Installed Apps section in Settings. However, if you're outside the EU, such as in the United States or the United Kingdom, that option won't be available. Also, keep in mind that some Windows features, including the Microsoft Store, rely on Microsoft Edge to work properly. Removing Edge may affect those features. Before uninstalling Edge, make sure you already have another web browser installed, such as Google Chrome, since you'll need it after Edge is removed. Now press the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. From the left panel, select Apps. Then open Default Apps. In the search box, type the name of your preferred browser. In my case, it's Google Chrome. Open your browser and make sure all supported file types and link types are set to it as the default browser. This is an important step before removing Microsoft Edge. Once that's done, close the settings window and open your preferred browser. Go to Google and search for Wise Uninstaller. Open the official website from the top search result. Download the free version of Wise Uninstaller. After the download finishes, open the installer and complete the installation by following the prompts. Accept the terms, continue with the installation, uncheck the option to view the user guide if it appears, and then click Finish. Before removing Microsoft Edge, it's a good idea to create a system restore point. Open the Start menu, search for Create a Restore Point, and open it. Click Create, give your restore point a name such as Microsoft Edge, and then click Create to save it. This gives you a backup in case you want to restore your system later. Now return to Wise Uninstaller. Scroll through the list until you find Microsoft Edge. Select it and click Force Uninstall. Confirm the prompt by clicking Yes. When Wise Uninstaller shows the remaining files and folders, click Select All. Then choose Remove. Once that's done, there are still a few Edge components left to remove. In the left panel, expand Microsoft Edge, select all the available entries, and click Uninstall. Confirm the removal when prompted. Next, switch to the Internet Explorer section. Select these two entries as these are related to Microsoft Edge and click Uninstall. Finally, open the Metro Apps section from the left panel. Scroll down until you find Microsoft Edge. Select it and click Safe Uninstall. At this point, Microsoft Edge has been completely removed from your computer. Keep in mind that future Windows updates may automatically reinstall Microsoft Edge. Microsoft no longer allows the registry changes that previously prevented this. So if Edge returns after an update, you'll simply need to repeat the same steps to remove it again. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.